Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line, complemented in the modernised yet sleek Daytona grey paintwork. Housing your efficient S-tronic transmission and delivering 110 PS, this model is an ideal nippy city runaround or perfect as a first car, with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and for further protection you do also have your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. Moving into the boot area, you do have plenty of space inside for all of your daily essentials, with an extra storage pocket below, followed inside by the luxury of a leather upholstery for low maintenance all round, with access in the rear to your pull down armrests, and in the front your S multifunctional leather steering wheel and central touch display screen. You do also have that sleek edge of your S embossed badging. Moving on to your 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel, you do have options to navigate around your digital cockpit with all of your vital driving data, audio and navigation, with the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have similar access again with your navigation to help you find your way, and a wide selection of audio to stay endlessly entertained. And for a more desired driving experience, you do also have your Audi Drive Select, complete with your comfort mode. And for further safety, you do have your driving assistance features, including your lane departure warning and even your Audi Presense. Flicking across, you do also have your user profile selection, followed just below by further comfort with your dual climate control, power outlets, and of course central cup holders and storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.